What's up, fellow car fans? There we go. Oh, sugar. This is the perfect get into the hobby car.
That's not even what we're here to see. We're here for the car that's next to it underneath the cover.
Is that a flux capacitor?
It is. I think my direction is going to be you sell this.
Oh, sell the Riv to fund the project. Shut it off, hold on.
This car is an extension of me. It's my whole personality.
It's my whole personality. I mean, I don't want to insult you, but
This is the best part of it. I'm open.
meet in the middle?
And you owe me a beer.
Deal. Still as beautiful as I recall. Dick, I need a hug, man. This is awesome. Thank you so much. My dad is gonna lose his mind. I don't think you understand how important this car is. This is insane. Like, I am still genuinely affected by this.